This video is on performing a new standalone installation of Sage BusinessWorks. To perform a standalone installation of Sage BusinessWorks, once the files have been downloaded, you're going to browse to the C Sage BusinessWorks 2025 install files folder. You're going to double click the autorun.exe, and then you're going to click Install Sage BusinessWorks 2025. If you do receive a user account control message, you do need to hit yes to continue. There will be some Microsoft files that need to be installed. Go ahead and click install. It is important to know that your computer may reboot when they're complete or at some time during this process. Be sure that you have all your files closed prior to installation. Once the files have been extracted, go ahead and click next to begin the installation. If you do not have a PDF file association, you'll receive this error message. Go ahead and accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. You're going to choose the standalone installation single user and click Next. This is the location where you will choose where you want to place your program and data files. I'm going to leave it as our default, which is CSage BW and CSage BW Data. And when I click Next, it will automatically create these folders. Go ahead and accept the default location for the Actian program files and click Next. Accept the default program folder location and click Next. And then just verify on the screen that everything is going where you want it to go and click Next to continue. The installation will now begin by first installing Actian and then installing Sage BusinessWorks. When the installation is complete, go ahead and hit Finish. Exit out of the install folders, and then you're going to launch Sage BusinessWorks. Now on a new installation, the default login is manager with no password. Going to go ahead and hit OK there. The installation is now complete. Don't forget to go in, and if this is a brand new install, you're going to go under Utilities and Registration Information and enter the registration provided to you by your account manager. If this is a move to a new computer where you already have your system backup and your company backups, at this point you would go under File and Restore those backups. Also too, don't forget that if you have just installed a new product, you always want to make sure that there's no service packs to install. Check the service packs, go under Help, and Download Updates. This will take you to the Sage BusinessWorks download portal where you can find out which service packs are available for your product. I just want to thank you for watching our video on how to perform a new standalone installation of Sage BusinessWorks.